Adhere means to stick to or remain attached, often implying loyalty or devotion as a follower. Synonyms include cling and hold fast, while antonyms are unfasten, unglue, abandon, and betray. It helps in grasping the nuances of commitment and loyalty in various contexts. An atrocity is an extremely wicked, brutal, or cruel act, often leaving a lasting impact. Synonyms include enormity and monstrosity, highlighting its severe nature. In contrast, antonyms like good deed and kindness emphasize the moral opposite, underscoring the gravity of such acts in ethical discussions. Cope, as a verb, means to successfully struggle against challenges or deal with situations satisfactorily. It implies resilience and adaptability, often synonymous with making do, getting along, or handling. As a noun, it refers to a long religious cloak or a canopy, highlighting its dual usage in language. Disquieting, an adjective, describes something that causes uneasiness or worry. Synonyms include disturbing and alarming, while antonyms are calming, reassuring, soothing, and comforting. It helps in identifying situations or information that may provoke anxiety, allowing for better emotional management and response strategies. Lag, as a verb, means to move slowly or fall behind, often trailing or straggling. As a noun, it refers to the delay or interval by which someone or something is behind. Synonyms include trail and delay, while antonyms are keep up, outstrip, and outdo. An optimist is someone who anticipates positive outcomes and maintains a hopeful perspective. This mindset contrasts with a pessimist or a prophet of doom who often expects unfavorable results. It can influence how we approach challenges and opportunities.
Prowl means to roam stealthily in search of something. This action is often associated with animals hunting or individuals moving quietly to avoid detection. Synonyms include rove, skulk, slink, and lurk, each emphasizing the secretive and cautious nature of prowling. Stupefy means to make someone feel stupid, dull, or groggy, often through surprise or astonishment. Synonyms include stun, daze, shock, amaze, and astound. In contrast, antonyms are awaken, arouse, stimulate, and enliven, highlighting the shift from a state of inactivity to alertness.
Sulky describes a bad or nasty mood, often resentful or gloomy. Synonyms include sullen and petulant, while antonyms are cheerful and amiable. A trait is a distinguishing feature or characteristic, particularly of personality. It defines individual uniqueness and can influence behavior and interactions.